Craving something spicy, crunchy and packed with flavor? Let's make peanut masala and give it a chaat twist. Namaste, I am Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Let's get started. Heat a pan and add oil. Make sure the base is thinly coated with the oil. Then add asafoetida, turmeric powder, red chili powder, black pepper powder. Cook the spices over low heat for 2 to 3 minutes so they don't burn. Mix all the spices well with each other. If you are new to vegan recipes, check out the description section to download my free vegan guide. Then add the peanuts followed by salt and mix it well. I'm using unroasted unsalted peanut, but if you have salted peanuts, just omit adding salt. Make sure the peanuts are coated well with the spices. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes and that's it. The masala peanuts are ready. Let the peanuts cool down in a larger open pan or plate and then you can store them in an airtight container. Now for our peanut chaat, add the masala peanuts. Finely chopped tomatoes, onion, cilantro and green chili. A generous squeeze of lime juice. Mix everything well. And that's it. The peanut masala chaat is ready. Whether you enjoy it as tea time snack or a quick evening munch or a party starter, these spicy peanut treats are high in protein, full of Indian flavors and will perfectly satisfy your cravings. So, if you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Foodotomic. I'll be back soon with another interesting easy recipe. Until then, bye.